Hi children, good morning. Children, today I will teach you to draw sense organs. Will you draw sense organs along with me? Take science, any one book. Take science HW or any one book. Okay, and take pencil, eraser, sharpener. Okay, you have to sharpen the pencil now. Okay children, are you ready to draw the diagrams along with me? Yes. Take one book. Children, don't forget it. You should draw the diagrams always with pencil only. Okay, don't draw with pen. Whenever you draw the diagrams, you should draw with pencil only. Don't forget it children. Take pencil, sharpen the pencil. Take eraser and sharpener. All the things keep with you. Take any one paper, A4 sheet or any one book or science HW. Draw the diagrams. Okay. Today I will teach you to draw the sense organs. Are you ready to draw the diagrams? Yes. You do draw along with me children. Okay. First, how many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Already you know that. Yes children. Okay. First diagram, eyes. How to draw the eyes I will teach you. Okay. Take one pencil. Okay children. Yes. Here is the first sense organ. What is the first sense organ? First sense organ is eye. Okay. First draw 2 half circles. First draw 2 half circles like this. Okay children. And another half circle like this. Eyes are very important for us. Yes children. What is the color of my saree? You can see with your eyes. Yes children. You can see the pictures and colors and yes, you can read the newspaper and textbook and notebook. Okay, with the help of eyes only. Eyes are very important sense organ. Okay children, eyes. We have 2 eyes. Eyes help us to see the things. Okay, draw like that. Okay children, draw like that and center small. Okay, circle. Draw the circle. Draw the circle like this. This is also called pupil, but you have to learn in 5th class. Okay, not now. Okay, this is the pupil. Okay, center of the eye. One dark spot is present, that is called pupil. And yes, surrounds the pupil, one color pot is present, that is called iris. Okay, you have to learn in 5th class children, not now. But you are very intelligent students. Okay. That's why I am telling for you. Okay. This is the iris. This is the iris. Color it amma. You fill it. Yes. You fill it with pencil. Shade the pencil. Shade this spot amma. Shade this spot. Shade this spot. Iris. Okay. That is the iris. Okay children. Yes. This is the eyelid. This is the eyelid children. Eyelid. Okay. Eyelid protects your eyes from dust and dirt. Okay. Eyelid. We have 2 eyelids. One eyelid, lower eyelid, upper eyelid. We have 2 eyelids. Eyelids protect the eyes from dust and dirt. Eyelid protect the eye from injuries. Okay. So this is the eye and we have eyebrows. We have eyebrows. Okay. See your mother eyebrow or your friend or your brother or your dad. This is the eyebrows. Okay. These hair like structures are called eyelashes. Okay children. Yes. This is the eyebrow. Okay, but draw with pencil only ma. No need to color. Okay, no need to color nana. You should draw with pencil only. You should draw with pencil only. No need to draw with colors. Okay, later whenever you relax, in that time you have to draw with yes, you have to draw colors. Okay, this is the eye. Children, it is very important to write its name. Okay, whenever you draw the diagrams, it is very important to write its name. Okay, because if you will not write name, it is yes, it is incomplete. That's why immediately have to write the name. What is the name of first sense organ? Eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Okay, children, will you write? Yes, E-Y-E-S, eyes. Okay, eyes. Is it clear, Nana? Okay, go to next. What is the next one? Ear. Okay, ear diagram. Okay, we have 2 ears. With the help of ears, we can differentiate the sounds. Okay, children, what is the use of ear? Ears help us to hear the things. Okay, now we hear everyday so many kinds of sounds. Some sounds may be pleasant, some are unpleasant. Okay, so draw along with me. You too draw along with me. Yes, this is the eye. We have 2 eyes. We have 2 ears. Sorry, we have 2 ears. Ears help us to hear. We hear the melodious music. Okay, this is the ear. Okay, write immediately name. Ear. E-A-R. Ear. Okay, we have 2 ears. Ears help us to hear the sounds. Okay, bell sound. Okay, car sound. Already we differentiate the sound. Some sounds may be pleasant, some sounds may be unpleasant. Okay, some are soft, some are loud. Aeroplane sound is loud. Without seeing, we can hear the sounds. Okay, children, that is the ear. Now, next sense organ is yes, you are right. Okay, nose. Okay, nose help us to smell. Okay, nose help us to smell the things. Okay, flowers gives beautiful smell, no children? Okay, how can you say flowers gives beautiful smell? Sprays gives beautiful smell with the help of nose. Okay, nose. Okay, what is the yes? Okay, it is your wish, children. Okay, shade it. Okay, but in this stage, it is very difficult to shade the pictures. Okay, na children? Okay, that's why no need to shade the picture. Okay, just see. Okay, how to shade? Just see. Okay, no need to shade. Okay, it is very difficult to shade in this stage. Okay, 4th class and 5th class, you have to learn how to shade the diagrams. Okay, children? Yes. Okay, what is the name of this ma? N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. Nose help us to smell the things and also breathe. Okay, we breathe with the help of nose. We continuously breathe with the help of nose. Nose help us to smell and to breathe. Okay, and your mother prepare very delicious dishes every day. You smell. Okay, without seeing, you can say whether that dish is that food is biryani or chicken or cake or biscuit. Isn't it? Okay, this is the nose. How to draw the nose? See carefully. Okay. Yes. Now, very interesting thing. That is the tongue. Okay, tongue help us to taste. Tongue help us to taste. Okay. So, tongue. How to draw tongue? See. Yes. Okay. Draw like this. Slowly draw. Okay. Yes. See. Like this. Okay, on the tongue, number of taste buds are present. Thousands of taste buds are present on the tongue. Okay. Yes, draw like this. Draw like this. Tongue. Yes. Is it nice, children? Yes, you too draw like this, ma. You too draw like this. or take your mother help or your brother help. Okay, you have to practice each one 2 times. Will you practice? Yes. Yes, children. Yes. Okay, this is the tongue. Nerve endings are present on the tongue, and also many taste buds are present on the tongue. Okay, children, taste buds. Okay, here number of taste buds are present, but no need to draw, ma. No need to draw. Number of taste buds are present on the tongue. Thousands of taste buds on the tongue, but no need to draw. Okay, just I will show to that. Okay, what is the name of this? Will you write the name? Yes, what is that? What is that? Tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. What is the spelling of tongue? T-O-N-G-U-E. Tongue. Okay, are you writing? Yes, children. Yes, tongue. Okay, this is the tongue. And one more picture. And one more picture, children. Okay, to draw the skin, how to draw the skin, amma? Okay, it is better to draw the hand. Okay, how to draw the hand? See, children. Yes. Keep your, okay, for draw the skin, keep your hand on the book like this, children. Keep your hand. Okay, keep your hand on the book like this, children. It is very easy to draw like this. Okay. Keep your hand like this on the book or paper. Okay, draw with your hand only. Okay, draw with your hand only, children. I am drawing my hand. You too draw your hand, children. Okay, na? Skin. Okay, full body covered with the skin. Okay, na? Skin is the largest sense organ. Skin is the largest sense organ. Okay. It is better to draw hand. Okay, children. Okay, take your left hand and keep on the book like this. You to draw like that, Nana? Yes, it is very easy to draw like this. Okay, you to keep your hand on the paper or book. Okay, children, will you draw? Yes. Drama. Yes, these are all the fingers. How many fingers? We have 5 fingers. Yes, children, each hand we have 5 fingers. Okay, draw like this. Draw like this. Okay, children? Yes. Now, but these are not necessary, amma. It is your wish. It is your wish lines. Okay, it is your wish, children. Okay, draw like this. Okay, this is the hand, means skin. What is the name of this sense organ? Skin. Okay. Will you draw, children? One more time. One more time you have to practice at home with the help of your mother. In the presence of your mother, you have to draw the diagrams. Okay. Take your mother help or brother help or sister help to draw the diagrams. Okay. You have to watch this video one more time and draw the 5 sense organs. Okay, children. Bye. Have a good day, children. Bye. Take care.